Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a card replacement request with Discover Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To begin your card replacement request with Discover, open your web browser and go to the Discover website. Log into your Discover account using your username and password. If you have forgotten your login details, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link for assistance. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services or Card Services section on the homepage. Look for the option labeled Replace Card or Request a Replacement Card. Click on that option to proceed with your request. You will be presented with a list of reasons for requesting a card replacement. Select the appropriate reason that describes why you need a new card. After choosing your reason, review any important information provided about the replacement process. Next, verify your shipping address to ensure your new card will be sent to the correct location. If your address has changed, update it accordingly before proceeding. Once your address is confirmed, click on the Continue or Next button to move forward. Review your request details on the confirmation screen. If everything looks correct, submit your replacement request by clicking on the Submit or Confirm button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been successfully submitted. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your new card's status. That's it. You've successfully authorized your card replacement request with Discover. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.